So that last slide with the healthcare expenditures as a share of GDP can be projected outwards forward. And as I mentioned earlier, in the MEI model, the long-run value of healthcare expenditures as a share of GDP is expected to go to that beta 1, or your slope value, which was 23.7%. Now, using the various parameters of the labor and wages model, you can also estimate healthcare expenditures as a share of GDP in the long run. And it's now 18.5% in the US, for example, which is a bit lower than the MEI model would predict. But I believe that this has a lot to do with the fact that the labor and wages model really captures how the labor sector is changing in the economy, versus the MEI model does not get to that level of detail. The policy implication of these findings, particularly for the US, is that the values I'm predicting are much higher than other government reports are projecting.
Much lower.
Much lower, thank you, much lower. I want lower, I don't want higher. Good.
But we know higher is better, isn't that
Yeah, it depends on what seat you're sitting in, that's for sure. That's a good debate to have, why it's so high in other countries, but or so high within other reports. But I think that one advantage to having a lower projection is maybe it buys us some more time to make more thoughtful cost containment policies. Another possible policy implication is that I do provide a framework in this model to think about technology and its role in healthcare expenditures. So maybe we can just have a better conversation, or a more in-depth conversation about the role of R&D investment